Delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then come to the search, and then when you type the search things, you can see everything is showing us giving suggestions. So if you want to remove this, or if you want to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing, so just go to the settings of the Instagram app, and then just click to the force stop options and click to the OK options. And when you click to the permissions options, don't give the location permission. Here you can see I have not allowed it locations. So and then just uninstall the reinstall Instagram app, and your search suggestions when typing will be removed. So that's the process I can do this. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.